Dear students, welcome to the Infoera Software Training Institute. In this video, I am going to give you the details of Core Java course. First, let's see the features of this Core Java course. Duration of this course is 30 hours or 1 month. We can also customize the course duration based on the trainer's availability and your requirement. For example, if you want to complete the course by 15 days, you need to come daily for the 2 hours. In case you want to complete the course by 10 days, then you need to come daily for the 3 hours minimum. You need to pay 6,000 rupees plus 12.5% taxes. You don't need to pay for the first 2-3 classes, so that at least you may have idea about the trainer's background and the quality of teaching. After that, you need to pay the fee at the full amount. We also provide the course material for this course, which will consist about the 100 number of programs. We have trainers from the MNC background, and we also conduct the separate doubt clearing sessions, and we will support you after the completion of your training in Infoera. Now coming to the topics which we are going to cover in this course. First is the basic environment setup. In this module, we are going to teach you to set up some softwares and tools which are helpful to create a Java project, for example Eclipse IDE and Java development kit. We will also show you the setup in the different environment in different platforms, for example Windows, Mac OS and Linux OS. Next, we will go through the basic concepts of object-oriented programming. We will discuss each concept in short, and we will also give some sample programs so that you may have a clear idea about some programming stuffs like if-else condition, if-else decision making statements. Then we can go for switch case statement, arrays and strings in short. In array and string module, we will cover at least some 10 to 15 programs in each one. Next is the object and classes. We will in this module we will show you how to create a class and how to create an object from that class, how to write methods and properties in the class. And next we will show you the modifiers in Java. There are two types of modifiers in Java, access and non-access modifiers. We will cover both the things. Then inheritance, which is the most important concept in the Java programming, we will go through this module. Then polymorphism. Basically the polymorphism is the concept which is based on overriding and overloading. So we will go through the same, and we will go through some abstract classes and encapsulation. Encapsulation is nothing but hiding the internal behavior and properties from the outside world. Next topic which we are going to cover is the packages. How to import packages or how to import classes from a particular package, and some programs in that packages module. Then we will go through the collections and interfaces. Then we will go through a module called multi-threading. Basically, a multi-threading is a phenomena in which a process has been divided into subparts known as thread, and all the threads of a process appear to run concurrently in a multi-core CPU. When I say multi-core CPU, means a system which is having CPU cores more than one. You can also meet us at this address, Infoera Software Training Institute. We are situated in Double Road, Indiranagar, first stage, Bangalore. You can contact us in this number +91 8150974678, and you can also write an email to us at infoeratechtraining@gmail.com. Thanks for watching this video. Have a nice day.